Tinubu directs Attorney General to review case of minors charged for treason after international embarrassment and national outrage. Tinubu rejects next advice, won't withdraw tax reform bills. Again, DSS denies Nnamdi Kanu access to legal team. Summary of the news. President Bola Tinubu has ordered the Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi San, to review the treasonable felony charges brought against some underage and malnourished children before the Federal High Court in Abuja, which has attracted national and global outrage. Sahara reporters learned from sources that Tinubu on Friday ordered the AGF to review the cases and make recommendations accordingly after the Nigerian presidency came under scrutiny for maltreating underage children accused of bogus charges for participating in the nationwide End Bad Governance protest in August. Sahara reporters earlier reported that the court presided over by Justice Obiora Egbuatu granted stringent bail to over 70 persons, including minors, for their alleged roles in the protest. 5 minors out of the 76 defendants meant to be arraigned on Friday, however, slumped inside the courtroom and were rushed to the hospital. The court granted each of the defendants 10 million naira bail, among other stringent terms, source Sahara reporters. President Bola Tinubu will not withdraw the 4 tax reform bills from the parliament, contrary to the advice of the National Economic Council (NEC), a presidential aide said on Friday. Bayo Onanuga, the president's spokesperson, said President Bola Tinubu has received the National Economic Council's recommendation that the tax reform bills already sent to the National Assembly be withdrawn for further consultation. President Tinubu commends the National Economic Council members, especially Vice President Kashim Shettima and the 36 state governors, for their advice. He believes that the legislative process, which has already begun, provides an opportunity for input and necessary changes without withdrawing the bills from the National Assembly. While urging the NEC to allow the process to take its full course, President Tinubu welcomes further consultations and engagement with key stakeholders to address any reservations about the bills while the National Assembly considers them for passage. Source: Premium Times. The Department of State Services (DSS) on Friday prevented Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB), from his legal team. This was disclosed by Kanu's legal counsel, Aloy Ejimako, via a post on X. Ejimako wrote, "Today, in a blatant and continued disobedience of extant court order, the DSS barred the legal team of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from conducting a visitation with him. For this reason, all suspended legal actions to enforce compliance will proceed apace with much vigor." In October, the DSS had denied Kanu access to his lawyers. Following this action, the Abuja Federal High Court threatened to jail DSS Director General Adeola Ajayi for contempt. Source: Daily Post. Follow for more. November 2nd, 2024.